Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So in this video, we are going to look at subprogram C in program 4. So what they are asking us to do in subprogram C is, they are asking us to again read a number n using the prompt, and this time they are asking us to display a multiplication table for the number n from 1 to 10. Okay, for example, if the number is 2, our n is 2. So in the output, we have to display 1 into 2 equal to 2, 2 into 2 equal to 4, and so on. Okay, multiplication table. They're asking us to display the table up to 10. So let's see how to do it. So this is also very simple. So I am going to save this file as mm, table. Click save. Okay, so it is saved as table.html. Now I am changing the title to multiplication table. Okay, so function I will change it as table. So I am removing this factorial code, it is not needed. Okay, now in the form, let's change this get factorial into get table, and also let's change this function to table. Okay, now I will write the code for displaying the multiplication table here. So you have seen already in the previous video, we are using parseInt, and inside the parseInt I am writing prompt. So this time I am writing the message, enter a number to display multiplication table. Okay, and I will store this value inside a variable called n. Right? Okay. Now I will start writing the code for displaying multiplication table. So first I'm going to create a variable called result and initialize it to null or nothing, empty. So I am writing for loop where variable I equal to 1 to 10, right? So in the question they are asking us to display multiplication table from 1 to 10, I plus plus. So the body of for loop. So here I am creating another variable temp, and I am writing the number n plus into, okay, plus the value of the variable I plus, okay, to display the equal to sign I am writing equal to plus, and the value of multiplication n into I plus new line. Okay, so that is it, and then I am appending the value of temp to result. So to join them together, the result and temp, I will use a function called concat. Concat means joining, concatenation. Okay, so here I will write temp. So I am combining the value of result as well as temp together. That's all. Okay, and finally, after the completion of for loop, I will display the result. That's all. The code is completed. It's very simple. Now let's see the execution. So table. So when I click get table, I will get a prompt. So it is asking enter a number to display multiplication table. Here I am writing 4. Okay. Right. Now here is the multiplication table up to 10. 4 into 10 equal to 40. That's all. Okay. So see you in the next video. Thank you.